Today I'm sharing 5 modest summer vacation outfits that are stylish, breathable, flattering, and perfect for women over 40. Every outfit I'm sharing today is built around that idea of packing smarter, creating more outfits with fewer pieces, and making getting dressed on vacation feel simple instead of stressful. And be sure to stay until the end because my final outfit is my favorite. Now, when we are planning outfits for a summer vacation, the travel day outfit is always the trickiest one to nail, especially as women over 40. We want total comfort for a long flight, we want practical modesty, and let's be honest, we want to look incredibly chic and put together the minute we step off the plane. This airport travel look gives you the modesty and comfort factor. Tight leggings can feel restricting during long flights, and stiff denim isn't ideal for sitting for hours. These wide leg pants offer total fluid movement and full leg coverage, ensuring you never have to fuss with your clothes while lifting luggage or settling into an airplane seat. The smocked elastic waistband is a lifesaver for travel comfort, but the chambray style texture keeps it looking elevated. Now, for the base layer, a white padded shoulder tee. Why does this work for my 40+ ladies? A standard t-shirt can sometimes look a bit too casual or loungewear adjacent. By opting for a muscle tee with slightly structured or padded shoulders, you instantly create a crisp, modern silhouette. Now for the footwear, I added sporty black sandals. These thick-soled strappy sandals offer excellent arch support for walking across massive terminals. These are the perfect travel shoes. The black hardware grounds the light, airy colors of the white tee and the blue pants, adding an effortless, cool girl edge. Now, you can't finish off an airport look without some kind of layer. Airplane cabins and airports are notoriously known for being cold and freezing, so a light wash denim jacket is the ultimate summer travel layer. Because the pants are wide and flowy, a crop jacket is the perfect choice here. It hits right at the waistband, keeping your proportions balanced so the outfit doesn't overwhelm your frame. And then for the bag, a spacious, slouchy black shoulder bag is incredibly practical for travel. It easily holds a tablet, passport, books, any flight essentials, you name it, all while matching the black sandals to tie the whole look together. The secret to making this outfit work so beautifully comes down to 3 quick rules: balancing your proportions, choosing comfort over constriction, and the power of small details. Drop a comment below if you would wear these wide leg pants on your next flight. On this channel, I talk a lot about modest fashion. If you're new here, consider joining my fashion family for women over 40. My name is Patty, and I'm here to help you achieve modest style for the modern woman. Now, let's talk about the beach town and resort look. When you're on vacation, there is nothing quite like that late afternoon transition when you leave the beach or the pool, you wash off the salt water, and you head out to explore a local coastal town or hit a resort boutique or sit down for an open air lunch. For women over 40, we want a look that feels breezy, lightweight, and completely effortless. The core piece is the botanical print maxi dress. This dress features a modest classic crew neckline and universally flattering 3/4 length sleeves. And also, it has pockets. I love a good dress with pockets. Now, the crisp white backdrop covered in a lush green leaf and botanical print, it just screams tropical elegance. It looks expensive, fresh, and perfectly mimics a luxury resort aesthetic. Now, I'm defining the waist with a slim brown leather belt. Flowy maxi dresses can sometimes look a bit shapeless or tent-like, especially one like this one with so much volume. By adding this slim, deep brown leather belt right at the natural waist, you instantly create structure. Now for the footwear, I added metallic detailed white slide sandals. These aren't your average beach flip-flops. These white croc texture slides feature a striking gold chain strap and a metallic gold toe cap. Here's a little 40+ style tip. Flat slides are a vacation must-have for walking along boardwalks or cobblestone street. By choosing a pair with built-in jewelry hardware, you get all the comfort of a flat shoe, but all the sophistication of a heel. Now let's talk accessories. For the bag, a woven straw tote bag. Nothing says vacation quite like a woven straw bag. This circular open weave tote with tan leather straps brings a beautiful organic texture to the outfit. It's practical enough to hold your sunscreen, a book, and water bottles, but stylish enough to carry straight into a nice restaurant right off the beach. And lastly, the oversized square frame sunglasses with gold metal trim, they inject an instant glamour to this outfit. They frame the face beautifully and elevate the entire look. For your next resort look, remember that dressing modestly in hot weather doesn't mean you have to sacrifice style. Now, on vacation, we always have that one day you want to have a fancy dinner. As a woman over 40, finding an evening look that is fully modest, lightweight enough for a summer night, and incredibly chic can be a challenge. I'm absolutely obsessed with this next look. We're leaning into relaxed tailoring, a stunning pastel monochrome palette, and playful accessories to create an evening outfit. Tailored trousers are a spectacular alternative to dresses for vacation dinners. The wide leg cut provides a flowing, elegant movement that mimics a maxi skirt but offers the comfort and security of pants. Now, the sleeveless longline blazer is my favorite. This piece is the ultimate style seeker for women over 40. A traditional blazer can feel too heavy or restrictive for a summer vacation, but a sleeveless vest version gives you the sharp lapels, structured shoulders, and a long, lean silhouette while keeping you completely cool. It adds instant polish over your base layer. Now, to keep a monochrome look from feeling flat, you need to mix your textures. I'm pairing the smooth tailoring of the vest and pants with a fine-ribbed knit tank in a slightly deeper shade of lavender to create effortless visual interest. And then for the footwear, I'm wearing lavender braided heel mules. Continuing the purple palette down to the feet, it lengthens the body seamlessly. The square toe design and chunky braided front strap, they add a highly contemporary on-trend texture to the look. The low block heel provides just enough height to elevate the wide leg trousers without sacrificing the walking comfort you need on vacation. Now, let's talk about jewelry because I added playful accents here. The geometric gold bangles add structure, while the statement earrings feature a gold hexagon top and a colorful multi-tone tortoise bottom. They add a pop of artistic flair. I also added a matching colorful hair clip, which also allows you to effortlessly pull your hair back in a sleek half-up style, keeping the overall vibe fresh, summer appropriate, and cohesive. And to break up the lilac, I added a luxurious evening touch, a crisp white quilted bag, which is perfect. This one has a cool feature that you can adjust the straps to wear either crossbody or you can wear it off the shoulders. The gold turnlock closure and the gold woven chain strap elevate the entire outfit, lifting it into true fine dining territory. For your next vacation dinner look, don't be afraid to step away from dresses and embrace the power of summer tailoring. Leave a comment below if you're team dress or you're more team pants for a vacation dinner. Now, on vacation, we always need a sightseeing outfit, and we have to make sure it's comfortable. When we're exploring a new city, functionality is everything. This outfit is the ultimate solution. It's an incredible practical for a high mileage walking day, perfectly modest, and it brings a beautiful earthy color palette paired with unexpected modern textures that make you look effortlessly stylish while you explore. The core piece are these paper bag waist high-rise white shorts. Finding the right shorts over 40 can be a minefield. These crisp white shorts feature a generous high-rise paper bag waist and a relaxed wide leg opening. The tailoring cuff gives them a clean structure. Now, white shorts instantly brighten an outfit and they scream summer vacation. Because they are high waist style, they beautifully frame the midsection. Now, for the base layer, I added a rust-ribbed tank top. Pairing the white shorts with a rich rust-ribbed tank top adds an incredibly warm, sophisticated contrast. The earthy tone looks beautiful in vacation photos against historical architecture or nature backdrops. I personally love this color. I'm more of an earthy tone kind of girl. And now comes the functional footwear. By swapping standard gym sneakers for these sleek low-top metallic silver sneakers, you inject an instant cool girl edge into this look. These sneakers here have the ultimate support insole. They're from a brand called Mikos. They're explicitly built for heavy walking days. Now, even though the shorts have an integrated paper bag waist, adding a cognac leather belt, it adds a high-end designer feel. And then for the bag, a quilted chocolate brown crossbody bag, a hands-free essential. When sightseeing, a crossbody bag is non-negotiable for me for safety and convenience reasons. It keeps your hands completely free. This deep chocolate brown quilted bag features a subtle texture contrast that plays beautifully against the rust tank. It grounds the lighter colors of the outfit, adding a rich premium touch. I'd say this outfit proves you don't have to sacrifice your fashion sense to get a full day of comfortable walking in. Now, I wanted to give you a vacation, lunch, and shopping look. This next look is my absolute go-to uniform for a casual, stylish day out. The core piece is this vertical striped maxi sundress. Vertical stripes are a stylist's best friend because they naturally elongate the frame, creating a tall, fluid silhouette. The rich chocolate brown and crisp cream color combination offers a softer, more modern resort feel than a harsh black and white stripe. Now, a heavy shopping day means flat shoes are a must, but a basic flip-flop can lack structure. These thick sole platform slides feature a classic luxury-inspired design in a beautiful cognac brown color. The platform gives you a touch of height and extra cushioning for walking on hard pavements, while the rich tan leather elevates the casual look of the maxi dress. And since the dress is dominated by long vertical lines, introducing a circular accessory is a brilliant styling choice. This round woven bag breaks up the linear pattern beautifully. The tan leather strap and a central weave pattern tie perfectly back to the cognac sandals, creating a cohesive, well thought out color story across the accessories. Now, the finishing touches are these open geometric hoops in a dark neutral marbled print to tie back into the brown tones of the dress. And then a thick polished gold structured bangle grounds the accessories with a touch of classic shine, ensuring the earthy bohemian textures still look polished and curated. As you can probably tell from today's lookbook, one of my absolute favorite secrets to achieving that effortless high-end resort aesthetic is a great pair of wide leg pants. I actually put together an entire video right here on how to style wide leg pants for summer without looking boxy and your outfit's looking perfectly balanced.